Welcome to 85. It's me, Jeremy, and James. James is here too. In today's video, we're going to talk about free shipping. Here at 85, we do free shipping 200 pounds or more domestic. And that doesn't include Alaska or Hawaii. That means we take care of all the charges from our dock to your dock. That doesn't include any Liftgate fees there might be, any scheduling appointment fees, residential fees, limited access fees, etc., etc. Our customers are always more than welcome to pick up at the terminal if it's more convenient for you guys. And the reason James is here is not to be the model that he is. It's to show you how we package your products with love. Take it away, James. Believe it or not, he does that flip thing every time. James has been with us for about 2-3 years, right?
Yes, sir.
He's been part of the family for 3 years. Don't forget the peanuts, James. Don't be fooled. James has years of experience. He makes it look easy, but every peanut counts. Great job, James. You make it look so easy. And remember, you guys can track your order by looking at the bottom of the invoices and seeing the tracking number. And make sure you double, triple check when doing an order via web or via phone whenever you put your address. You don't want your pretty little fragrance to end up somewhere else, do you? No, you don't. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, here at AFI,
we ship free.
We ship for free.
Don't have 200 pounds or more though.
200 pounds or more, yeah, he's right. Good job, man. That was a good video, man. Hey, man, you're a natural. How about I use you more often?